Hi friends, this week we're learning about finding your passion. Before we begin this activity, I'm going to explain to you the new vocabulary words. The word passion is an intense desire or enthusiasm for something. What is something that you really, really love to do? I really enjoy painting, so painting would be one of my passions. The next word is authentic. This means that it's based on facts that are accurate, reliable, and genuine. Authentic means to me that it's something that I created. I know that I based my painting on facts and hard work. The next word is value. That's the idea you believe is true and important. I value my students. So in this activity, you are going to draw, write, type, paste pictures, whatever works for you, and you can help find your passion. In the circle, you'll see it says, "This is me." Here, you can paste a picture of yourself. You can draw a picture of yourself, or you can just write your name. In the triangle, you're going to write, draw, or paste things that you enjoy doing. The next green square talks about what you're good at. Think about it. What are you really good at? The heart below says, I love. What are some things that you love? I love popcorn and watching movies and playing outside. Those are things that I love to do. The diamond says, I could do better at. The things that I could do better at are like making my bed, or eating healthy choices, or exercising more. And the last shape says, my goals are. My goals for myself would be some things that I'm good at, and maybe I could be even better at, and the things that I probably could do better at, like eating healthier choices. So use this worksheet to help figure out who you are and what your passion is. I'm looking forward to seeing your work, friends.